Nature Lovers Retreat, Mandarin. For lovers of nature, Mandarin is truly a pleasure, okay? It's nested along the St. Johns River. It casts a picture of a postcard scene with winding waters, beautiful parks, and all the getaway feeling from city life with easy access to urban amenities. Gem 5. The Investor's Haven, Murray Hill. Last but definitely not least, right, it's Murray Hill. This is an up and coming neighborhood, and it's highlighted not only for its affordable housing, it allows for a substantial return, okay, return on your investment, okay, from the strong local scene to the